Hey, this is James Marsh. I'm a project scheduler with Shield Sexton in Indiana, and we are using Takt for a small MOB project here in the area. I wanted to show you my Takt plan. On the left-hand side here are milestone summaries, and then the project areas broken down and documented for square feet. Below that are the different maps that are used and referenced within the rest of the Takt plan. The elevation map, the roof flow for the work, the zones 1 through 4 within the building, then the exterior site finish work that needs to be done. Next to those are the different legends that are used: exterior enclosure, exterior skin legend, roof legend, interior rough-in, then interior finish legend, and then finally the site finishes. Then next to that are the actual Takt plan itself. Start off at the top with procurement, specifically the long lead items that we're seeing right now, just to make sure that we have those on hand for the project. And then, as you can see, we have dependency ties to where they are installed. Starting off with site work, fairly simple site for this particular project. Going into substructure, the structure, again, the structural steel needs to be on hand before we can actually start setting it. That needs to be finished before the exterior enclosure or the roof can be started. Technically, the roof could go earlier, but because of the roofing procurement, it is needed to be pushed out and started a little bit later just so we could have the material on hand. We do have, as you can see, holiday buffers for both Thanksgiving and Christmas already scheduled in. You can see the interior rough-in and then the dependency tie for that the roof needs to be on before any drywall is in place. 8 needs to be completed before 11 can start on the interior finishes following the legend. And again, we have another buffer week mid-March just to make sure that we allow for some issues. Elevator installation and appropriately dependency tied for that, marking where power and air is supposed to be turned on. Our final wagon completes before the contract substantial completion, which gives us ample time to be able to complete our punch list work before the contract project completion date. And then the site finishes start once the cold winter months wrap up, and again with extra time as needed, depending on how warm or cold our spring turns out to be next year. So that is our Takt plan. Hope you like it. Thanks so much.